Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by backing up everything that matters. This prevents permanent loss. Once that's done, make sure the battery is at least 50% and connect to Wi-Fi so downloads and reboots don't fail. Next, sign out or record your Samsung and Google credentials because factory reset protection can lock you out. Now open Settings, search Reset, and pick Factory Data Reset to begin. This initiates the wipe and shows which accounts and apps will be removed. You proceed by navigating to General Management, tapping Reset, then Factory Data Reset. That path triggers a review screen so you can confirm what will be erased. Once you review accounts and apps, tap Reset. You must enter your PIN or password to prove it's you, and then choose Delete All to start the full wipe. While the device restarts and erases, it may take several minutes. Don't power off mid-process, because that can corrupt the system and leave the phone unbootable. Once the reset finishes, you'll go through the initial setup where you should sign into the original Samsung or Google account to avoid factory reset protection issues. This is why earlier credential notes matter. Make sure to restore from your Google or Samsung cloud backup when prompted so apps, contacts, and settings return. If you can't sign in or the device is FRP locked, try Samsung Find My Mobile to unlock remotely. If that fails, contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.